Hello guys, welcome back to another video on our channel. We are today at Agonda Beach and hi, I'm Khalandar and this is Sadhya. So we are bringing you the series of Goa after lockdown and showing you all the great places in Goa after lockdown and what is the current situation going on. So today we are in Agonda Beach, which is a beach in South Goa, and let's begin this video. Now this is the main entrance of Agonda Beach. If you go to the Agonda village, there are multiple entry points to enter this beach. You can enter from a lot of beach shacks that are situated on this beach around there. So there are multiple entry points. You can enter from the right side of the village and from the left side. So once we've reached Agonda, there is a church, and then from that church you have to take a left and then you can come right far. So ample of parking space for bikes. There are no parking charges over here, and I think there is a lot of place for cars also to park. You can see there's a bus there, some people partying over there, having a barbecue party right under the tree. So there is some shade, and you can see this amazing view out here. Like, look at the trees, the mountain out there. So these boats which are placed over here, these take you to Butterfly Beach, these boat rides, and they'll also take you to dolphin sightseeing. If you're lucky, you can see some. And those lovely rocks over there in the middle of the sea give it a great look. And this beach is one of the most famous beaches of South Goa, and it's a lovely beach. You can see there's hardly any tourists out here because it is one of the most calm beaches, not very crowded, and you can enjoy a great vacation out here. And you have those lovely cottages over there. So when you come here, you can see small stalls here. You can always refresh yourself with some coconut water here. I cannot see any washrooms or anything, but maybe if you go to any of the shacks and have your lunch there, and if they have any washrooms, maybe you can change there. A lot of people come for picnics over here, and you can see they are littering everything over here. So guys, do not litter and do not make the beach unclean. I cannot see any dustbins placed here. For
to all the barbecue lovers, this is the best place for barbecue.
You can see the lovely creek over here, water coming from the river. I think this is fresh water. क्या किया तुमने? Can you do it? Oh, and that's an epic fail. So Agonda Beach is one of the cleanest beaches in Goa. This beach is very good for alone and calm time, and you will get amazing peaceful silence over here. So you must try Agonda Beach if you want a nice and cool, calm experience and away from the noise and buzz from the North Goa beaches.
November to March is the best time to visit this place, क्योंकि यहाँ का climate बहुत ही cool रहता है इन 3-4 महीनों में.
And I would definitely recommend you, if you are planning to stay in South Goa, try to stay 1 day or 2 days at the beach houses here, right at the shores of Agonda Beach. The experience is amazing because the view from there and the experience and all facilities are provided at these beach cottages, so you can just enjoy it. Like, amazing, it is amazing. Like, just check this out.
So guys, अगर आप लोग पेंजिम से आगोंदा बीच आओगे तो आपको 69 किलोमीटर कवर करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप लोग डायरेक्टली एयरपोर्ट से आगोंदा बीच के लिए प्लान कर रहे हो, देन यू हैव टू ट्रेवल अराउंड 62 किलोमीटर. और अगर मडगांव से प्लानिंग है आपकी आगोंदा बीच आने की, तो आपको 36 to 38 किलोमीटर तो लग ही जाता है. पालोलिम बीच से आगोंदा आना है तो देन यू हैव टू ट्रेवल 9 किलोमीटर, विच विल टेक अराउंड 20 to 25 मिनट, डिपेंड ऑन ट्रैफिक. बाइक लेके आइए, क्योंकि बसेस से अगर आप आना प्लान कर रहे हो देन यू हैव टू चेंज बसेस फ्रॉम वन डेस्टिनेशन टू अनदर अगेन.
And also it is not safe also to come by public buses due to all this corona situation. So avoid. If you want to enjoy the South Goa experience, you should come by a bike, because you can enjoy the lovely amazing views. I would suggest you either rent a bike, or if you have a friend who can lend you a bike, you can use a bike. So you can see this amazing beach over here, just handful of people here. Quiet. All you can hear is the sound of the waves most of the time. I can see a crab running down there. Lovely white sand out here. You can look at the lovely white sand at the beach. Amazing. And the beach stretches out right up to that part, and then you can see all those beach cottages like I showed you over here. Amazing places to stay. Some shacks are open there. You can see lifeguards watching over the crowd over there. Quite few lifeguards posted because not a lot of crowd. I hope they are well staffed. Those amazing cottages over there are a great place to stay, and really gives you a great experience of South Goa. Quite few palm trees this side, not much, but over that side you can see lots of palm trees covering the shores of this beach. Looks amazing here. And this amazing rocks give it a great look to this Agonda beach. So you cannot see hardly any tourists here compared to Kalangut and Baga beaches. Even Palolem beach was quite full, but mostly tourists come to Agonda beach to have a very pleasant and quiet vacation. Like you can see, you can just hear the sound of the waves. So I can see some domestic tourists here enjoying the Agonda beach, and I see a couple of foreigners. Right now international tourists are quite few because not much international travel is open to India. So once maybe the international tourists arrive Goa, you might get the full experience of Goa. So Goa is open for tourists right now, and you do not require any COVID test, or you do not have to quarantine yourself when you arrive in Goa. So you can definitely come to Goa and enjoy a lovely holiday. It's November right now. Tourists are still picking up, but follow your safety guidelines, because COVID is still present among us, and we have to wear our mask, sanitize our hands, and follow all social distancing measures. So guys, enjoy your holidays, but also keep yourself safe. So अगर आप Agonda आ रहे हैं, what are the things that you need to carry? Sadia will tell you.
Okay, you need to carry your water bottle, then sunglasses, sunscreen, caps लाइए, sunglasses लाइए, और you get a mat so that आप यहाँ पे आके आराम से relax कर सके और ये view enjoy कर सके. और
relax करो, relax, must enjoy, relax करो, must. So that was it from us from Agonda beach. So that is how we would like to end this video, and I hope you enjoyed the information provided. Please like, share and subscribe. If you not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the notification button so that we can bring you more delicious and amazing content on our channel. So see you guys, bye bye, have a nice holidays. If you are coming to Goa, if you need any more information, just type in the comments and we would be very happy to provide you with it. Thank you.